Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing? My name is Dr. John Belkowitz. I am the Director of Research and Development in Intelligent Concrete, where we specialize in making your concrete stronger and last longer. Today is Random Concrete Shark Week, sponsored to you by the Tiger Shark. Ding! Tiger Shark! Okay, had a great phone call with some awesome colleagues today, and I used a phrase that kind of came out of nowhere, and I really liked it. And I can't go into that conversation. It was a confidential conversation, but the phrase was, and I hopefully get it correctly, or it's not a shotgun effect, it's a shotcrete effect. I loved it. And you can use that phrase either way. It's more of a shotcrete effect, not a shotgun effect. Or it's more of a shotcrete approach and not a shotgun approach. And the concept is, when we work with a lot of our clients developing new and emerging technologies, a lot of our clients don't really have, they know they want to make a new technology, but they don't really know who they want to go after in the industry. So what they want to do is create a technology, or it's maybe a technology that they've already created, and they want to sell it as a cure-all for every single concrete ailment in the industry. Now, while that's kinda impossible, and I say kinda because there are some new and emerging technologies, specifically nanotechnologies, that can solve a lot of problems, that they fit into very many different solutions. That being said, there are no silver bullets. There's not a concrete additive that's going to solve every single problem out there. And when it comes to creating an admixture, developing something from the ground up, you shouldn't be looking to create something for the entire concrete or cementitious composite industry. Either your technology is going to be so sensitive to change, or it's going to take you such a long time to develop it that you might not ever get to that, you know, perfect pie in the sky admixture that you're looking for. And that's what I meant by saying it's not a shotgun approach, it's a shotcrete approach. What I meant by that is, instead of trying to hit everything out there, focus on something. Look towards a certain goal, that I want to attack this certain portion of the industry with this new admixture. There is a true pain in the grouting, in the marine grouting industry, that I've recognized, and I believe that if I had a technology that answered this pain without increasing the cost per cubic yard or per cubic meter, I'll have a solution that I can sell. I have a product that I can sell. I can generate more revenue and then create more additives, admixtures, or just solutions for the concrete industry. And with that approach, the folks who have either come to us or we've advised have gone that direction, they're much more successful. And they're successful a lot faster than are folks who are like, well, I want to try to get my technology into the whole concrete industry. Well, trying to create your value-added proposition tree off of the entire concrete industry is a very difficult thing to do, especially if you're trying to generalize it for an entire sales force. And again, I mean, that's just another reason, not just on the admixture side, but getting it out there with your sales force makes it a lot easier to focus up on what you're doing. So hopefully you got something out of that. Let us know if you got any questions or concrete concerns. It's something that I'm very passionate about when getting new in technologies is, what's your direction, what do you care about, and what pains are you answering? So if you guys have any questions, and gals, if you have any questions or concrete concerns about that, don't forget to shoot them out there. Like and subscribe. Thanks a bunch! Go concrete! Beat asphalt!